everyone, welcome to the podcast. I'm Maya.
And I'm Leo. Oh, Maya, today's episode is really important. Like, it could actually save a life if someone listens carefully.
Yes, Leo. Today we are talking about emergency English. English you can use in urgent situations when every second counts.
I love that. Most people learn English for work, movies, or chatting with friends. But not many think about using English when someone's hurt or in an accident or in an emergency.
Exactly. Imagine you're traveling abroad, helping a tourist in your city, or even at home when someone suddenly faints. Your English can become the bridge to help.
And here's the good part. You don't need perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, or complicated sentences.
Nope, you just need clear, simple, and direct English, the kind that emergency responders or people nearby can understand immediately.
Let's imagine our first scenario. It's a sunny afternoon and you're walking in a park. Birds are chirping, kids are playing, and everything feels peaceful.
Oh yeah, I can picture it. And suddenly, you notice a man sitting on a bench. He looks pale and uncomfortable.
A few seconds later, he collapses onto the ground.
Wow, in that moment, what do? Your heart is racing, your mind is panicking.
That's why knowing simple emergency phrases can help you act quickly.
First, you need to alert people around you. You could shout, "Help! Someone has collapsed!"
Or, please help, this person needs help.
These simple phrases tell people immediately that this is serious. Someone might come closer, check on the person, or call emergency services.
Yes, and then, ideally, you or someone else calls emergency services. The operator will probably answer, "Hello, emergency services?"
What is your emergency? Now here, short sentences work best. You could say, "A man has collapsed in the park. He is not moving."
Or, "Someone fainted. I think he is unconscious."
The operator will then ask a crucial question. Where are you located?
Location is key. You could say, "We are at Central Park near the main fountain."
Or outside the library on Oak Street, near the entrance.
Even small details help emergency workers reach you faster.
Let's move to another scenario. Imagine you're in a restaurant with friends. Everyone's chatting, enjoying their meal.
Suddenly, you notice someone at the next table coughing violently. They grab their throat, clearly choking.
Ooh, that's scary. That's when clear, urgent English can help. You might shout, "This person is choking."
Or, "Someone call an ambulance."
Notice how short, clear, and direct sentences are always the best in emergencies.
Exactly. You don't have time for long explanations. Clarity is more important than grammar.
Right. Now let's talk about a car accident.
Okay. You're walking down a busy street and suddenly hear a loud crash.
Two cars have collided in the middle of the road. People are gathering. Someone may be injured.
Calling emergency services again is the fastest way to help. You might say, "There's been a car accident. 2 people are injured."
And if someone is bleeding, you can add, "One person is bleeding from the arm."
Or, "A passenger is trapped inside the car."
These details allow paramedics to prepare even before they arrive.
Operators may ask, "Is the person breathing?"
If yes, they are breathing but look weak.
If not, no, they are not breathing.
These answers allow rescue teams to understand how serious the situation is.
Often, the operator will give instructions while help is on the way.
For example, stay with the person, or try to keep them awake.
Or, press on the wound to stop the bleeding.
Following instructions carefully can save crucial time and protect the person until professionals arrive.
Let's talk about everyday emergencies too. You're on a crowded bus.
Suddenly, a passenger looks dizzy and slowly slides down in their seat.
You might ask, "Are you okay?"
Or, "Can you hear me?"
If they respond, they are conscious.
If they don't, call for help immediately.
Some people hesitate to help strangers because they're nervous.
That's natural, but even small actions make a big difference.
Calling for help, asking simple questions, alerting others nearby.
You don't have to be a doctor to help someone.
You just need awareness, calm thinking, and a few key phrases.
Saving emergency numbers in your phone is smart too.
Different countries use different numbers: 911, 112, 999.
If you travel internationally, always check the emergency number beforehand.
That simple step can save precious time.
Another situation involves tourists.
Imagine a tourist says, "Please help, my friend is hurt."
They might not speak the local language.
English can become the bridge. You could call emergency services. A tourist is injured and needs medical help.
Or someone is sick and needs an ambulance.
That's when your English becomes incredibly valuable.
Language isn't just for chatting or studying.
It's for care, protection, and action.
Another scenario, hiking in the mountains with friends.
One friend slips and injures their ankle. They cannot walk.
You might call, "My friend is injured on a hiking trail. They hurt their ankle and cannot walk." Add your location. "We are near the North Trail waterfall."
Clear information helps rescuers find you quickly.
Leo, I think it's also important to give tips on staying calm.
Yes, panicking slows you down. Take deep breaths, speak slowly and clearly. Focus on key information.
And repeat important phrases if necessary, like "Call an ambulance. Someone is hurt. We need help."
Exactly. Even simple repetition ensures people understand you.
Now, let's give our listeners a mini practical conversation they can practice emergency English.
Let's pretend we're calling emergency services.
Okay. "Hello, emergency services.
Yes, I need an ambulance. My friend has fainted and is not responding.
Where are you?"
We are at Central Park near the main fountain. She's unconscious and not breathing properly.
"Stay with her. Can you check if she's breathing?"
Yes, she's breathing slowly but seems very weak. I'm pressing her hands to keep her awake.
"Help is on the way. Keep calm and do not move her until help arrives."
See? Short, clear sentences. Easy to practice.
Now, let's talk about useful vocabulary for emergencies.
Ambulance, the vehicle that takes injured people to the hospital.
Paramedic, a trained medical professional who provides emergency care.
Injury, damage to the body.
Bleeding, when blood comes out of a wound.
Unconscious, when someone is not awake and cannot respond.
Conscious, the opposite, someone is awake and responsive.
Choking, when someone cannot breathe because of a blockage in the throat.
Faint, when someone suddenly loses consciousness.
Collapse, when someone falls suddenly because of injury or illness.
And remember, using short phrases works even if you forget some vocabulary.
Before we finish, let's imagine one more detailed scenario.
You're at home and your neighbor falls while climbing the stairs.
They are bleeding slightly from the forehead.
You can call emergency services and say, "My neighbor fell on the stairs. They are bleeding from the head. Please send help."
You can also ask someone nearby, "Can you please get a first aid kit?" Or, "Can someone help me stop the bleeding?"
Short, clear phrases again, and you stay calm while waiting for help.
Even small actions like applying pressure with a clean cloth can make a difference.
Emergencies can happen anywhere: streets, restaurants, offices, parks, or home.
Practicing these scenarios is key. The more you rehearse, the faster you react in real situations.
Exactly. You can even role play with a friend. Pretend someone is injured and practice calling for help.
Or memorize a few key phrases and practice them aloud every week.
Now, let's finish with some final tips.
Keep your sentences short, clear, repeat if necessary.
Stay calm. Focus on what's most important: the injury, the location, and the help needed.
Don't hesitate to ask for help from others nearby.
And remember, even if your English isn't perfect, your words can still save a life.
So, be prepared, be calm, and speak clearly.
Thank you for listening, everyone. We hope this episode gave you confidence to use English in emergencies.
Stay safe, keep practicing, and always be ready to help.